Changes some snowflakes late this morning as our temperatures drop. Bit of a breezy afternoon. Not expecting a lot of accumulation, but overall we have back-to-back impact days today and into tomorrow. But right now those rain showers starting to filter back in, especially into portions of Greene County, right into the Waynesburg area along 79. This is extending into Fayette, heading into Uniontown, up into Bullskin Township, a little bit there into Seven Springs, even into Cambria and southern portions of Indiana County. More will be on the way into Westmoreland, so just be aware of that. But the bulk of this rain is east of us, but unfortunately we're going to see some cooler air settling in today, especially as we get later this morning, and we're going to see that change over to a few snowflakes. Right now our action cam over the city and into Wilkinsburg, relatively quiet, but we are seeing some lower visibility up along Interstate 80, Mercer, Venango, even into portions of Beaver County, down about a 4 to 5 mile visibility. So looking at your 4-day forecast, we will have our temperatures plummeting through the day. We'll be into the 30s this afternoon. Windy and cold on Thursday, making an impact day because look at these future fields. These are the wind chills early tomorrow morning. Most of us will be in the single digits. Higher elevations sub-zero, looking at like 4 below into Somerset. So definitely cold air will be in place, and we are going to have those wind chills staying into the single digits and low teens pretty much through the afternoon. Now we will improve by Saturday, at least with the temperatures. We'll be back up in the low 40s. So looking at our futurecast, we're starting to see the transition from rain to snow as we get around 9-10 o'clock, especially the further north you live. Around lunchtime, we'll have some scattered flakes around. Not expecting a lot of accumulation. Keep in mind the ground still pretty warm, but I do think we could see up to a dusting, a half an inch in a lot of the area. Snow showers are going to start to shut off after 3 o'clock. There's going to be a few bands passing after midnight into early Thursday morning, so that could put another coating on the ground as you wake up tomorrow morning, and very, very cold air will be in place. We'll have some sunshine mixing in Thursday, but unfortunately it is not going to warm us up at all. We're going to stay very cold. Now as we look at how much snow, like I said, around 7 o'clock this evening, potentially up to a half an inch around a lot of the areas. Some spots could see up to an inch. Then as we see those bands move through early Thursday morning, could see up to an inch around the area. So overall those bands will be very isolated, but we'll put a quick coating on the ground. It's 44 degrees right now in Pittsburgh. Feels like it's 40. This is the warmest we're going to be today. Already starting to see these temperatures drop. 39 in Franklin, 41 Newcastle and Butler, 46 in Greensburg and Washington at 43. Winds will be picking up late this morning, 20 to 25 mile per hour wind gusts, 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts as we get into early parts of Thursday, and still gusting into the mid to upper 20s through Thursday afternoon. So there's your 4-day plus 4 more forecast. Get through today and tomorrow, and smooth sailing are Friday and Saturday. Rain showers are coming in on Sunday, especially late Saturday night into parts of Sunday. We are going to see a chance for a few showers, but mild for the start of next week.